Okay, this is I have another package for me from Mitra Store, Putra Store. This is a flash disk. Flash disk contain of videos for the Christians worship. I doesn't know because my friend. This is for my friend, not for me. I just buying it from the internet. So let's see. This is flash disk. Actually, after this, I will test it. Okay, flash disk. Looks like flash disk from here. We open this. Okay, the flash disk is already open. See? Oh, we got the connector. Wow, you're so nice, 16 GB SanDisk is already open. You can take the flash disk in from here. And this is the connector, USB on the go, OTK on the go. Yeah, like this on the go. And let's see it first. Nah, okay, it should be already open. Oh, it's already open from here. Okay, we will test it first. 16 GB Crucible. Okay, good. After this, I will skip and we'll continue when we test it. Thank you. Okay, this is what we got. mp3 rohani. Aha, Maria Shandy. Oh my god, so much file. And DC worship. Okay, and then you can see in here that's packet rohani. This is a videos. Wow, very much videos. Nice. It's very nice. Okay, let's check the memory. Let's see. This is it full or not? Let's see. Okay, at least 14 GB. Okay, 11 GB full. Thank you for watching. Okay, like that. So thank you for watching.